Well, I've just been down to the kangaroo flat morning meet. There were beautiful cars there this morning. Two Rolls Royces with the loudest engines you've ever heard, and I thank the owner of the uh, GT. You know who you are, and thank you for showing me your car. And all the other owners, thank you very much. My name's TJ. TJ's Holden 79. I am on YouTube. I do have a TikTok with the same name as well. And if you like what you see, please press that subscribe button and please make me grow, make my channel grow. Alright, thank you to all. Thank you very much.